Insider secrets to learning the Passap Knitting Machine. As a knitwear designer and fiber artist, I often hear, "I love how you used colors and or textures in that scarf or shawl or wrap or sweater, but could never do it myself." Well, today I am going to share with you some insider tips and skills so that you really can do it yourself. This information offers the why as well as the how. The Passap P6000 knits precisely what you tell it to, perfectly with the unique dialogue computer which communicates with you. What is important is that you learn to speak Passap so you can communicate with the console. Since it is very precise, there is a learning curve to get comfortable with the programming of the console so you get the exact result you want. The electronics on the knitting console asks you a series of simple questions. They are not in the usual sequence that we are used to and do not answer why or how, so patience on your part is needed. Not much different than spelling a word. If you put the letters in the wrong order, you have an error and a misspelled word. If you input the data into the Passap console in the wrong order, you have an error. The only difference is that the console talks back, and that sound is very annoying. What did I miss or do wrong? Where can I find help? Who knows the answer to my question? Am I going to understand what they are telling me in video or in writing? I'd invite you to come back as these questions are answered for you. The goal is to help you enjoy this amazing piece of equipment and see beautiful knitted projects that are finished. If this has been helpful information, consider leaving me a donation for a cup of coffee at https://ko-fi.com/marjoriemcdonald52786.